So if you're looking for a premium gazebo, this one from Backyard Discovery is an all cedar. You can actually get different types of wood styles on this to just let you know on that, but it's insanely luxurious. We hung lights on ours. It doesn't take too long to set up, but once it's set up, you got so much space there. The roof on here is insanely strong, very, very wind resistant. Can hold snow like crazy as well. So you'll be able to enjoy this pretty much almost all year long. The condition will, it's insanely great in terms of condition, in terms of how long it actually lasts on you. So I hope you enjoyed it. So this is the one from Backyard Discovery, and this is their gazebo for the premium backyard. Enjoy it, and you'll have a fun time with your family and friends. You could do a barbecue under there and just have fun. Enjoy!